Walang demolition permit. Walang building permit. Sinira ang property na pag-aari ng taong bayan sa lungsod ng Maynila nang walang kaukulang permiso o prosesong sinunod ang GLC Construction and Supply. We will file cases against these people as mentioned with regard to the violation. Criminal charges and civil. Today,
Yo, what's up? Happy people, isang mapagpalang araw, gabi, tanghali po sa ating lahat. For today's video mga kuys, mga gayas, ay naku po, may nasampula na pong kontraktor pala si Yormes Comorino. May mga kasuhan na po, yung Gels. Alam niyo yung Gels, ha? Gelsi! Dami niyo palang kontrata dyan sa City of Maynila. Tiba-tiba. Ang tanong, maayos po ba yung trabaho nyo? Mukhang hindi yata kasi may kaso kayong haharapin eh. Ayan. Kinasuhan kayo ng City of Maynila, ha? Ayan, yan pong pag-usapan natin sa video ito mga kuys, mga kayas. Ay, di na po pwede yung mga tulunggis talipandas dyan sa City of Manila. Pwede yan noon sa nakaraang administrasyon. Pero ngayon, hindi na po pwede yan mga kuys, mga kayas. Ayaw ni Yormes Comorino ng mga tulunggis talipandas. Kaya humanda na kayo. Kumuha na kayo na, well, may abogado naman pala kayo ng marami. Yun lang. Sana masagot nyo. Para hindi kayo makulong. But I think makukulong talaga kayo dito. Makukulong talaga kayo. Okay, mega love shoutout po sa ating lahat. Well, na-appreciate ko po yung mga connection, yung mga komento, reaction nyo, yung like, shares, at yung subscribes, na-appreciate ko po yan mga guys. Maraming salamat po. So without further ado, let's begin.
sa lahat ng viewers ni Dodoy Te, ito, yun, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli, Please continue to watch the videos and please do subscribe. Ingat kayo. God first. Walang demolition permit. Walang building permit. Sinira ang property na pag-aari ng taong bayan sa lungsod ng Maynila nang walang kaukulang permiso o prosesong sinunod ang GLC Construction and Supply. We will file cases against these people as mentioned with regard to the violation. Criminal charges and civil. Today, we are stating on things that we need to do to protect the interests of the people of Manila and its property under the supervision, authority, and management by yours truly. As you all know, last week we were caught in surprise of an incident in Rasak, Santa Cruz, Manila. With that, through the weekend and holidays, your city government officials have conducted thorough investigation and we have made a decision to pursue legal means against a corporation doing business in the city of Manila and abusing their business practice and doing unlawful business practice in the city of Manila. Now, today the city government of Manila will be filing criminal charges against contractor GLC Construction and Supply, represented by its general manager Jess R. Mahusay, for illegal construction of the Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz project within the Rizal Avenue Sports Athletic Complex, or commonly known as RASAC. The following criminal charges will be filed against the contractor. First case to be filed: special cases of malicious mischief under Article 328 of the Revised Penal Code as amended, for causing damage for RASAC facilities, including the satellite office of the city government, police outpost, daycare center, performance stage, among others. Complaint to be filed before the City Prosecutor's Office by the City General Services Office. Second case: unlawful demolition and construction without necessary permit in violation of the National Building Code of the Philippines. On what ground? Demolishing the RASAC covered courts and other government structures therein without securing necessary demolition permit from the city building official, which is a clear violation.
Nako. Ha? GLC, patong-patong plakaso nyo. Yun kasi nagpauto kayo sa nakarang nakaupo dyan nakaraan at sa mga tulonggis man ay dyan, ha? Yan. Sa inyo balik yung kaso.
Of the National Building Code. Started constructing the multipurpose project without coordinating with the local government of Manila as instructed by the local government code. And if I may share some particular section of the local government code violated, Section 26 and Section 27 of the local government code, RA 7160. And for failing to secure building permit from the city building official, which is again a clear violation of the National Building Code. Complaint to be filed by the city before the City Prosecutor's Office by Department of Engineering and Public Works of City of Manila. Third case: unauthorized taking of government facility in violation of the Republic Act number 10344 or 10344, or the Risk Reduction and Preparedness Equipment Protection Act, for demolishing the RASAC facility, which has been an important location for evacuation and humanitarian purposes. The same facility is used as evacuation centers or center in times of disasters, fires, and other calamities. And as you all know also, if I may refresh your memory, it was utilized during the time of pandemic for our homeless individual exposed to COVID-19 in the streets of Manila. Complaint to be filed before the City Prosecutor's Office by the Manila City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office or NCDRRMO. Pangapat, the civil aspect of the crimes mentioned above will be filed separately. The City Government of Manila has filed the demand letter to GLC Construction and Supply Incorporated for illegally demolishing or demolished government structures and facility which is owned by the city government of Manila and at the time of construction, especially at the time of Mayor Alfredo S. Lim. The value of it is 10.4 million pesos. I have here the certification which will furnish you a copy of this following certification later on. This is to certify that based on our official records, the Rizal Covered Court located in Alvarez Street, Santa Cruz, Manila has a net book value of 10,441,796.60 as of August 22, 2005. Issued this 22nd day, August 2025, City of Manila. Signed, Assistant City Accountant, Officer in Charge, Jonathan Galorio. Another certification from OBO, Office of the Building Official. This is to certify that no record of building permit was issued under the name GLC Construction and Supply for the project construction of multipurpose building Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz, Manila City.
Ang tanong, bakit walang bidding mga kois, mga guys? Ganon talaga mangyayari pag malakas ka sa congressman. Wala nang bidding-bidding. Panalo ka na. Sa'yo na lahat na dyan. Basta, yung porsyento ko, matik na yan. Kaya, parehas kayong makukulong ngayon.
Phase 1. Located at Rizal Avenue, corner Alvarez Street, Manila. As stated in the National Building Code of the Philippines, Presidential Decree number 1096, Chapter 3, Permits and Inspection, Section 301 of the Building Permits. No person, firm, or corporation, including any agency or instrumentality of government, shall erect, construct, alter, repair, move, convert, or demolish any building or structure or cause the same to be done without first obtaining a building permit, therefore from the building official assigned in the place where the subject building is located or the building work is to be done. Signed, Manila Building Official, Rogelio Vicente. This is the certification. By the city accountant. Third certification. This is to certify that no record of demolition permit was issued under the name GLC Construction and Supply for the project construction of multipurpose building Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz, Manila, Phase 1, located at Rizal Avenue, corner Alvarez Street, Manila, by this office. As stated, the same, in the National Building Code of the Philippines, Presidential Decree number 1096, Chapter 3, Permits and Inspection, Section 301 of the Building Permits. No person, firm, or corporation, including any agency or instrumentality of the government, shall erect, construct, alter, repair, move, convert, or demolish any building or structure or cause the same to be done without first obtaining a building permit therefore from the building official assigned in the place where the subject building is located or the building work is to be done. Signed, Manila Building Official Rogelio Vicente. Walang demolition permit. Walang building permit. Sinira ang property na pag-aari ng taong bayan sa lungsod ng Maynila nang walang kaukulang permiso o prosesong sinunod ang GLC Construction and Supply. This afternoon, we will file cases against these people as mentioned with regard to the violation. Criminal charges and civil. Thank you for your time. I may now entertain some of your questions.
Tuloy natin lang, pag-stick na po yung outlet, ako pangalan.
Good morning po, Your Honor.
Hi, Sian.
Si Ann Ambrosio po from ABS-CBN. Yung pinabanggit po ng company, isa lang po ba yung sa pinabanggit ni Presidente? Parang familiar po yung name.
Yes, sila ay mga kumpanyang nakasama sa mga binanggit ni Pangulo at reported sa website ng Office of the President. Yung what you call isumbong mo sa Pangulo. Yes. They're one of those.
So, meron po kayong mahabang list ng mga companies involved, related po to sa flood control project. Kakasuhan din po ba ninyo yung mga yun?
This is the flood control project done in the city of Manila 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025, amounting to more or less 14 billion done
Kalaki.
in Manila. So most of it finished already. Bumaha ng pondo sa Maynila, bumaha pa rin sa Maynila. Now, itong lahat ng ito ay walang permit.
So yun nga mga kois, mga gayas, no? Ayan po, may masasampulan na na kontraktor o kontraktor may ito mga kois, mga gayas, no? Ayan, wag po kasi sa panahon ni nakaraang administrasyon, okay yun. Pero ayan kitang-kita, klarong-klaro na may mananagot talaga dito. Especially yung ano pa talaga, assets ng ating government, tapos sisirain nyo na walang kaukulang permit o proseso ng mga kontraktor na yan. Basta lang kumita sila ang kasama si Kong at kung sino pa mga kasamahan niya. Well, mas mabuti pang gagawin mo, JLC, building, supply, ayan pangalanganan mo na yung mga kasamahan mo, mga politiko, na kung saan walang biling-biling, matik ikaw yung panalo. Kasi may understanding kayo sa mga politikong nakaupo dyan sa City of Manila noong 2022 hanggang ngayon, 2025. Ha? Yan, sagutin nyo yan. Damay nyo lang sino yung dapat pa idamay. Kasi alam naman namin talaga kung sino yun. Pero mas mabuting nang gagaling sa inyo yan. Okay? Komento po ng inyong opinion o reaction sa comment section ng ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman po ang ating video, please follow, like, and share, and subscribe. So for now, I'm Ken Manila. God first, God bless all, peace. Bye-bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.